Right, so just a quick video regarding birdlime. Now, most of you probably know that you've got the usual methods of boiling up holly bark or holly leaves, etc. and things like that. But after I tried a couple of months ago to make birdlime out of holly bark, following an old recipe, in a survival situation, it seems like one of the kind of things which is not too hard to do, but a lot of effort for kind of little outcome, if you know what I mean. Because most recipes are, you have to boil the bark for at least 12 hours, let it sit for a week and things like that. Well, that's no good in a survival situation. This is really long term and you've got nothing else to do. So, I'd heard of a method where you can use mistletoe berries as birdlime. Right, now I've got some mistletoe berries there. They could probably, you could probably leave these till they ripen on the mistletoe a bit more, but I thought I'll grab these while I can, and then I'll see if I can make some out of it. So all the method is, some people say you put these in your mouth and you chew them, but that, I'm definitely not doing that. But if we scrunch them up, we might be able to make something out of them. So we'll give it a go. If we know you can make it instantly, then we know you can make a type of birdlime quickly, rather than boil it for 12 hours and then let it sit for 2 weeks or whatever, and then, you know, have to strain it and then boil it again. You know what I mean? It's just way too long to do things like that. Right, so all I've got is the mistletoe berries and like a stick just for crushing them. So I'll see what it's like crushing them, then I may add some spit to it. I'll see though. I'll tell you what, this stuff is very sticky already straight away. We can get this crushed up in it. Oh, I think this will work. Right, I don't know if you can see that. You can see that kind of coming off. You can see it coming, you can see it there, very sticky. See it? I think that possibly would work as a birdlime. See, I can't actually really get that off my fingers. I'll give that a bit more of a crush up and then we'll see where we get it to. Right, so far it's now entirely sticking to the end of the my grinder type thing. So I'll see if I can get this off. As you can see it, they're coming off like strings. Like that, I think that actually would work good. Don't know whether it'd be better if you crushed it up more. That's probably why they say about chewing it, but I wouldn't want to chew something like mistletoe berries because it's going to be, in my opinion, you know, not a wise thing to do. If you could crush that up more, I think something like that. You see it there sticking? That would definitely stick to feathers, I think. So I think for quick birdlime. Maybe crush this up more. I think definitely got something what would work and work instantly as well. You see those parts there coming on good. Right, so I've crushed it up a bit more, and you can see I've got all this stuff stuck to my hands now. It's a bit of a nightmare to get it off. Very sticky stuff, it's all over the place, and I had added a little bit of spit. I don't know if you would need to or not. Hopefully this focuses. You can see it there. I think if you can get it wrapped round good, and you've definitely got an instant birdlime for a survival situation. Now, out of mistletoe, that's took 5 minutes, not long to collect the berries if you can get them, and that'll give you something what could potentially catch small birds quite easily now, and without a lot of time and effort. You can see how sticky that is. That'll definitely get stuck in a bird's feathers. Now, one thing I would say is, you could only ever use this in a survival situation. This stuff, you know, birdlime, is completely illegal nearly everywhere in my, so far as I'm aware. You know, because it's quite a cruel device. You know, probably about as cruel as using poison. But one thing, I suppose the bird is still alive rather than killed. But in a survival situation, mistletoe berries as a quick birdlime is definitely an option. Right, I can turn the camera off. Cheers for watching. I'll see you later.